We're making a unitard for women. The PDF sewing pattern is available in 7 sizes, from extra small to 3XL. The link to the pattern is in the description. The pattern can be adjusted to be shorts, 3/4, or longs, while the sleeves can be long, short, or not at all. Additionally, if you divide at the waist and add seam allowance for elastic casing, the garment can be made as a 2-piece. To start, cut 2 fronts, 2 backs, and 2 sleeves if you're making with sleeves. Cut the garment from 2-way stretch fabric like Lycra with the maximum stretch running around the body. We're going to overlock the 2 fronts together by placing them right sides together and sewing from the center neck to the crotch point. Repeat the process for the back. The sleeves must be neatened at the hem edge and hemmed before they're attached to the garment. Adjust the differential feed on your overlocker so that the stitches are not so tight that they snap when the seam is pulled, or so loose that the seam warps. To sew the garment together, begin by sewing the shoulders together to join the back to the front. Next, mark a nick in the center of the sleeve cap and pin the sleeve to the armhole, matching the nick to the shoulder seam. Once the sleeves are overlocked in place, fold the back over the front and sew the side seams from the base of the sleeve under the arm and all the way down the side. When the garment is sewn together at the side, hem the leg edges and then sew the undercrotch seam. Finally, it's time to stitch the knitted swimwear elastic to the neck edge and the armholes if the garment is made without sleeves. It's very important to use the correct elastic. Ask your haberdasher for knitted swimwear elastic or latex. After the elastic is applied, hem it to the garment using a twin needle stretch stitch. Afterwards, de-thread and your unitard is ready to wear.